Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you, children? How are you?
fine, ma'am.
Fine. So, children, we are learning measurements. Okay. Today, measurements, children, we will do division. And children, we learned already division with a two-digit divisor. Yes. Two-digit divisor. How we will write the multiplication table of the two digits? We will multiply and then write the table of the divisor. Okay. So let's start with the question. So question number 15A. 15A. Dia, can you read page number 70? All of you please take out page number 70 from the workbook. Question number 15A.
Divide A. 5 kilogram 876 gram by 26.
5 kilogram 876 gram divided by 26. So children, listen carefully. We have normal division with the two-digit divisor. And how to write the dividend and divisor? I will show you one question, then you will do the rest alone. Because we know already what is division with the two-digit. So children, question number 15, page number 70. Question number 15A. So listen carefully, don't write anything now, only one question I will show you. Divide 5 kilogram 876 gram by 26. So by 26 children, it is clear which is the divisor. 26 is the divisor. And here 5 kg 876 gram. So children, to start with, we will write 1 kilogram. Can you tell me children? 1 kilogram. 1 kg. How many gram? Dash gram. 1000. Very good. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1000 gram. So what will be 5 kilogram? 5000. Okay. So children, what you will do? Write 5, then add how many 0? 30. Okay, 30. So children, here 5 kg, and with that we have to add 876 grams. So children, what you have to do? Look here, if there are 3 digits, write the numbers. 5, 876. 876. How will get this? We will add 5000 plus 876. So 5000 plus 876 gram. So total how many gram? 5876 gram. So children, 5 kg, listen carefully, don't write anything now. One question, if you listen carefully, you can do the rest alone, because we know already how to divide. Yes children. So don't write anything now, listen carefully. 5 kg 876 gram, we have how many gram? 5876 gram. This is gram. Okay children, divided by which number? 26. So children, we can just write the number together, 5876, because we have to see whether we should have 3 digits here. Why? Because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1000. So how many zeros are there? 30. That means we should have 3 digits in our gram. If there are no 3 digits, we have to make it 3 digits. So children, here there is no need. 5876 gram divided by 26. Now children, all the children, please write down the table. Tell me the answer. 26 into 1, 26 into 2. You have to write the multiplication table of 26. Find out and write down, multiply and find out the answer. Then we can do faster.
We should write in the rough book.
Only the tables. Okay. Yes, tell me. 26 into 1. We know 26 itself. Okay. Now 26 into 2. 6 2s are 12. 1 carry over. 2 2s are 4 plus 1. 2, 52.
52.
Okay, what is 26 times 3?
We'll divide.
Multiply, first we will write the multiplication table. Yes, 26 times 3. 6 3s are 18, 1 carry over.
78.
78, very good. What about 26 times 4? Yes, children? What's the answer? Find out. Multiply in your rough book and say it faster. 26 into 4, 6 4s are 24, 2 carry over. 4 2s are 8, plus 2, 10. Find out fast. 26 into 5. Multiply and find out 26 into 5. 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30, 3 carry over.
Ma'am,
5 2s are 10 plus 3.
3.
130. Okay, so what will be 26 into 6? 6 into 6, 36. 3 carry over. 6 2s are 12 plus 3.
12 plus 3.
15.
15. 15.
So 156.
56.
Okay. So children, let's start our multiplication. Look here. We have the divisor is 26. Then we have to, wait. We have to see, first take 2 digits, 58. 58 is greater than 26. So children, look here where we will have 58 between 52 and, yes. We can take only into 2. We can take only 2 times. 2 times 26 is what? Look here, 52.
52.
Then subtract. Tell me what is 8 minus 2.
5 minus 5, 0.
8 minus 2, 6. Okay. Now what we have to do? Bring down. 67.
7.
Look here. We have 67 were between 52 and 78.
Into 2.
Into 2 only we can take because we have only 52 we can take. Okay, 52 only can be taken from 67. Now subtract again. 7 minus 2.
5.
7 minus 2 is 5. 6 minus 5.
1.
1. Then what we have to do? 15 is smaller. Bring down. Very good. Look here now. Is there any 156 in our table? Is there any 150? Into 6. Yes. Very good. Yes. 26 times 6. 6 into 26 is 156. So you will got the answer. So children, we converted this kilogram and gram. So the answer we got is 226 gram. Okay. So finally children we can write 5 kg 876 gram divided by 26 is equal to 226 gram. So children you can write it now. All the children. 15a, write in your workbook faster. Therefore, the last one sentence we can write. Therefore, what we have to write? 5 kg, 5 kilogram, 876 gram divided by, which is the number 26, is equal to, look at the question, this is our question.
26.
What? 226 gram. Gram. Why children? Because we converted kilogram into gram. So 5 kilogram 876 gram divided by 26. What's the answer? 226 gram. So this question only we will do together. Question number B you have to do alone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you have like 1 kg 20,000.
That I have erased. 1 kg is equal to 1000. That you can write. 5 kg is equal to 5000 gram. So 5 kg and 876 gram is equal to, just write the number together, 5876 gram. That's why we have written here. 5876 gram divided by 26. Okay. So if you have the dividend and divisor, then you can do normal division. How you will divide usual numbers. That's all we have to do. Children, finish writing. You have to write faster. Now next one is Siddhi. Can you read question number B? Siddhi.
Okay, ma'am. 11 liter 375 milliliter
By 13. So children, question number 15B, you have to do liter and ml. So children, if anyone is joined late, I will send you the notes after the class. Okay. So if you want to do faster, you can write in the rough book and later on you can complete, then you are revising it again. Okay. So we have to just write how to write the dividend, that we have to be careful. So here 11 liter. So children, question number 15B. What is the question, all of you? Look here, 11 liter 375 ml divided by which number? 13.
30.
So children, 11 liter 375. Here if there are 3 digits, we can just write simply 11 375. So how will we write the step? I will show you. I will show you the steps. 1 liter is equal to, yes? 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So what will be 11 liter? 11,000. So children, write 11. Then how many zeros you have to add? Look here, 3 0. Here also we will add how many 0? 3 0. So it is 11,000 ml. So 11,000 liter, that is 11,000 ml. We can write 11 liter. We have to add how many more? Look at the question, 375.
375.
So we will write 11,000 plus 375. So it is just write the number together. 11,375 ml. See children, here if there are 3 digits, we can see here 000. When we add 375, it is the same as 11,375 ml. Now children, we can write the dividend. 11 liter 375 ml. Now it becomes 11,375 ml. This is the dividend. Which is the divisor?
Ma'am, 13.
13. Now children, can you do this now alone? Write the table of 13, divide and tell me the answer. All the children, what do you have to do? 13 into 1, 13 into 2. Write down the side the table of 13. Then start divide, division.
26.
Please mute your audio while doing and don't say the answer louder. What do you have to do? Write the dividend. What is the dividend here now? 11,375. And what is the divisor? 13. So write the table of the divisor 13. Write the table. So here children, I am going to erase how you got this 11,375.
No.
Write the table of 13.
Ma'am, after 11 liter, then
Just write 11 liter 375 equal to 11,375 together. Only that much. Children, can you tell me the table faster? 13 into 1, 13. That's very easy. 13 times 2?
26.
26. Now next 13 into 3?
39. 13 into 3, 39.
39. Okay, then next
52.
52. 4 3s are 12, 1 carry over. 4 plus 1, 5. 52. Okay, 13 into 5?
65. 55. 75.
5 threes are 15. 1 carry over. 5 into 1, 5 plus. What's the answer? 65.
5.
6 threes are 18. 1 carry over. 6 into 1, 6 plus 1. What's the answer? 28.
28.
Find out 13 into 7.
78. One more.
Next one. 13 into 7.
105.
13 into 7. 7 threes are 21. 13 into 7. 7 threes are 21. 2 carry over. 7 into 1. 7 plus 2. What's the answer?
Plus 2, 9. 91.
91. Okay.
91.
Now do 13 into 8. 8 threes are. Find out the answer. 13 into 8. What's the answer, children?
104.
104. Now find out 13 into 9. One more we will do, then we will start our division. 13 into 9. 9 threes are.
9. Sir, 9 threes are
27. 2. So 117. Okay. So 13 into 9 is 117.
117.
Okay. Now children will start division. So children look here first the 2 digits. It is 11. And it is smaller than 13. Can we divide small number? No. So what do you have to do? Take 3 digits. Now look in your multiplication table. Where is 113?
Into 8.
We can.
108.
104. It is between 104 and 117. So can we take 17? No. We have only 113. So what do you have to do?
Into 8.
13 into 8. So that is 104. Okay. Then subtract. Yeah, 13 minus 4. Yes, children. 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4. This much time. 9. Okay. Then 9 is small. So what do you have to do? Bring down. 97. Okay. Then look here. 97. It is between 91 and 104. So can we take which one? 91. 13 into 7. 13 times 7 is 91. Okay. 7 minus 1.
7 minus 1, 6.
Bring down. Yes.
65.
Look in your multiplication table. Is there 65?
5 into 5.
13 into 5. 65. Now tell me children, what will be the unit of this? 875 what? ml. Very good. Because children, we converted this liter and ml into 11,375 ml. So the answer is given in ml. Okay. So children, what we will write next? Therefore, you can write. Therefore, 11 liter 375 ml divided by 13 is equal to 875 ml. Okay. So children, write below. Therefore, look at the question. From the question, you can write 11 liter 375 ml. Therefore, 11 liter 375 ml divided by 13 is equal to 875 ml. Okay. So is this easy?
Yes.
There is no difficult in division of measurements because we have studied division. Yes, children? So can you start question number 16 alone? 16A.
Okay, ma'am.
There also we have liter and ml. So no problem because 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. I will send the notes. 16A divide 3 liter 633 ml by which number? 21. So children, first of all you can check easy method I show you, no? Easy method how you can write. Look here, is there 3 digits? Yes, because 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So children, if there are 3 zero in the here, in 1000 how many zero? 3. So look here, there should be 3 digits in ml part. Then it is very easy. Children, just write the numbers together. Write 3, 6, 3, 3. This is the easy method. Now I will show you the step. 3 liter. How we will write? 3 into 1000, 3000 ml. Now 3 liter, 6th, 3, 3 means we will add 3000 with 633. So the answer is 3. Again you will get, look at here, last 3 digits. We will add this 633. Is that clear, children? How to write the dividend?
Ma'am, what about the steps?
Steps you can just write 1 liter. Then this much is enough. No need to this add and write, because we can easily write this 3 liter 6 3. That you have to write on the side with small. Otherwise you will not get place. Okay, children. So 16a on the left side, 16b on the right side. So children, write 3, 6, write this 3, 633 together. Now it becomes ml divided by, which is the divisor? 21. Children, start writing the multiplication table of 21.
3 ml 5 divided by 21.
Children, please mute your audio. Some children they are doing the multiplication table, so we need concentration.
1
3, 6, double 3. That is 3633 ml divided by 21. All the children should try alone. I hope all are doing.
Oh my god, the
Okay, okay. Wait.
6 21 into 7 21 into
Niranjan, can you tell me the multiplication table?
21 into 9
21 into 2, 42.
21 into 1 is 21. 21 into 2 is 42.
21 into 3, 63.
Okay.
first
21 into 4, 84.
Okay. 21 into 5.
105.
Okay. 21 into 6.
126.
1 into 6 is 6. 1 into 6 2s are 12. Okay. 21 into 7.
147.
1, 4, 7. Okay. So we will do one more. 21 into 8.
168.
168. Okay. So let's start our. So first we will take 2 digit. Okay. 36, that is greater than 21. That means we can divide. Okay. Now look here.
and 1 into
1. Only 1 times we can take, because we have only 36. So 1 into 21 is 21. Okay. Now subtract 6 minus 1.
5
5. 3 minus 2. 1. So children, this is only 15. So what we have to do?
bring down 3
Bring down 3. Now look at your multiplication table. 147 is there, 168 is there.
7
7 only we can take, yes. So 21 into 7, 147. Subtract.
147
Yes children, subtract.
13 minus 7
13 minus 7.
8 9 10 11 12 13 6
So here 5 we cannot take. So it will be 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 6. Now what do you have to do? Bring down 63. Now check in your multiplication table. Is there any 63 over there?
Yes.
Yes. We have 21 times 3, 63. So we will write here 3. 21 into 3 is 63. Okay. So children, what's the answer? We have 173 what?
73.
173 ml. Very good. This is very easy, children. So what do you have to do? Therefore, 3 liter, look at the question. 3 liter 633 ml divided by 21 is equal to 173 ml. Yes? Therefore,
3 liter. 3.
look at the question, you will get the answer. What to do? Therefore, 3 liter 633 ml divided by 21 is equal to, look at the question here, answer 173 ml.
Now divided by
measurements in there.
Therefore, 3 liter 633 ml divided by 21 is equal to 173 ml. Okay, children, finished?
Yes.
Yes. Now, Kirtana, can you read the last 16th B? 16th B.
27 kilometer, 6 meter by 1.
1. See, children, here there is a difference. You have to tell me what we have to do. 27 kilometer 06 meter by 1. Children, we know what we know, that is any number divided by 1. What's the answer? The number itself.
The number itself.
No need to divide. Yes, any number divided by. But you have to see the meter side here. Look here. We have 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1 kilometer, how many meter? 1000. So how many digits should be there? 3. But look here, how many here?
We have to place.
We have to place 1 0. Where? That is my question. Where we have to place?
Before.
Friend of
Friend, very good children, very good. Because if I add 1 0 to the right side, 6 will become 60. But that we don't have. Yes, that is wrong. So 6, what do you have to do? Add 1 0 to the left side. So 0. Children, see 6 is, we can write 0 6, then also it's same. We can write 0 0 6, then also the value is same. Yes sir? Yes children? Okay. So we can write here 27 kilometer. Just write 27, then add how many 0?
And 3 0.
3 0. Okay. Now 27 kilometer 06 meter. Children, we can add 1 0 and write the answer. 27 0 0 6.
0 0 6.
Now we can write. This is our dividend now. 27,006 divided by 1. Now it's very
It's
easy.
very simple.
What's the answer?
2.
Same number itself. Yes? What's the answer? Children, just write the dividend same. That is the quotient. What is the answer? 2, 7,
0 0.
0, 6. The same number itself. But children, you have to write the unit of. What is the unit here?
Ma'am, if we are showing it.
Ma'am, meter.
Meter. Yes. Kilometer we converted into meter. Because we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Here children.
Will get.
Here what we have to do, only 1 0 we have to add before 06. Why? Because we have only 2 digits. We should make it 3 digits. Finish? This is...
Before in 16th we have done in the step way, right? So
Ma'am,
in the
finish.
One minute, Siddhi.
We will do.
Therefore, we can write 27 kilometer 06 divided by 1 is equal to, write the answer here we have 27006 meter. 2700 006 meter.
06 divided by 1 is equal to.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, so, ma'am, if we are doing in the step way, what answer we will get?
Which one? Step way, the same answer, no? You have written the step on the side. Look here, what is the step here? 1 kilometer, 1000 meter, 27 kilometer, 27,000. We have to add just 30. 27 kilometer, 06 meter means 27006 because we have to add 1 0 here. We have done all the steps here.
And
Any number divided by 1, the same answer because here there is no need of any long division. Why? Because any number divided by 1, you will get the same answer. Yes, children, finished?
yes,
Yes. So, children, I will give you one question. Can you do in the rough book faster? Like the same question? Okay. So, children, we have finished this till question number 16 and we are going to do only till 16. And tomorrow we are going to revise the same chapter. Revision of this chapter, you have to study all the conversions. 1 kilometer is equal to, 1 liter is equal to. I have sent the notes, okay? Study that and revise till question number 16. Okay, now take out one rough book,
okay, ma'am.
then write the question. Close your workbook. 3 kilometer, 84 meter divided by 12. So children, here also you have to be careful. Here I have given you only 2 digits. You have to make it 3 digits.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, start.
Kilometer.
Children, do in your mind. Please mute your audio.
Okay.
You can do alone. 1 kilometer, 1000 meter, 3 kilometer. You have to do alone. Then after finish, you can see the answer whether it is correct or wrong from the board. 3 kilometer, 84 meter. That means here we have 3000, that is 3 kilometer plus 84 only 2 digits. So I have converted. So who can tell me? The divisor is 12. What is the dividend? Who can tell me?
Ma'am,
Ah.
3084.
Very good, children. 3084. Now start writing the multiplication table. Then you can continue. See, children, we have 2-3 minutes. Let me see who is getting faster. Anybody got the answer, children? Is there anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer?
Ma'am, 257.
257. Yes, correct answer. Children, okay, we will see. 12 into 1 is 12. 12 2s are 24. 36, 12, 4. 12 multiplication table is very easy. We know already. 12 into 4 is 48, 12, 5, 60, 72. Okay, so let's start here. Only 30. So we can take 30. 2 times. 24. Yes, children, please check whether you got this. 2, 5, 7, 60. 2, 5, 7. So here, 12, 5. Bring down. 12 times 7.
140.
So, 257 what? Children, what is the unit?
Ma'am, meter.
Meter. Look here, this meter. Okay. So, the answer is 257 meter. Very good. You got correct answer, children. So, let me see how many got this answer. Can you raise your hand? Yes. Okay. So, you know this. So, children, what we had to do? Tomorrow we had to revise this chapter, multiplication and division. To do multiplication and division, children, we have to know all the conversions, meter, centimeter, kilogram, gram, milliliter and liter and all. So, revise which chapter we will do revision of chapter 12. Okay?
Ma'am, I did not check the answer. Can you show me?
257. 257. You want to see? Look at the board. 257 meter. So, children, the answer is 3 kilometer 84 meter divided by 12. The answer you can see from here 257 meter. Okay, only this much we had to do. So, children, here this measurement, division and multiplication, that is the same as normal multiplication and division that we have learned in our chapter multiplication and division. But only thing that you had to see the dividend and which is the divisor and how to convert. Yes, who is speaking?
Ma'am, you write here 84, right? After that, sum was the right.
Okay, so children, that's over. Yes. So what we have to do tomorrow? Which chapter revision?
Measurement.
Measurement. And I want all the children to keep one revision workbook. And I want all the chapters of maths you have to write together. One day maths, in between some other subjects, no. Other subjects you can do on the other side, and all the math revision you have to do on one side of the book. Any book you can take revision workbook. Revision book. And write all the chapters of maths together. Children, we have written test, you remember? Written test you have to do.
Okay, ma'am.
You can take any rough book. Or notebook backside also we can do. Notebook backside. Math notebook backside. Okay, children, bye-bye. Thank you. Bye.